In this video, I'll show you the best way to connect to any country using a VPN. Whether you want to access websites, streaming platforms, or apps that are restricted in your region, following this guide will help you browse freely, bypass geo-blocks, and keep your connection secure at the same time. The VPN we'll be using is NordVPN, which is one of the fastest, most reliable, and feature-packed VPNs available today. You can find a link in the description to try it at a great price. While following along, NordVPN has over 8,490 ultra-fast servers across 129 countries worldwide, giving you access to almost any location you could possibly need. Whether it's the US, UK, Japan, Germany, Singapore, or even smaller regions, NordVPN has you covered. You can also choose specialized servers for streaming, P2P file sharing, or even servers optimized for double encryption to maximize your privacy. To get started, download and install the NordVPN app on your device. Open the app and log in with your account. On the main dashboard, you'll see a map and a list of countries. You can either click Quick Connect to automatically connect to the fastest available server, or manually select a country to appear as if you're browsing from that location. This is perfect for accessing region-specific content, bypassing restrictions, or even testing services in other countries. NordVPN also comes packed with advanced features to enhance both security and performance. The NordLynx protocol is designed for maximum speed with minimal latency, perfect for streaming, gaming, or heavy browsing. Threat protection blocks malware, trackers, and ads, while CyberSec adds an extra layer of safety when browsing online. If you need a unique, dedicated IP for secure banking or platforms that flag shared VPNs, NordVPN provides that too. Once connected, your IP will appear as if you're in the country you selected, allowing you to access geo-blocked websites, streaming platforms, or apps safely. NordVPN works seamlessly across all major devices, including Windows, macOS, iOS, Android, and even some routers, giving you global access no matter what device you use. For anyone looking to browse the internet without restrictions, protect their privacy, and connect to virtually any country with fast, secure, and reliable servers, NordVPN is by far the best choice. Use the link in the description to try NordVPN today and start enjoying the internet securely.